Are you tired of feeling unproductive and overwhelmed by your daily tasks? If you are looking for practical and easy to apply methods to get more done in less time, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll share 10 simple tricks that will dramatically boost your productivity overnight. These are the tips that anyone can start using right away, and they don't require complicated tools or methods, just a willingness to make small changes that lead to big results. Before we dive in, welcome to Grow Unite YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos designed to help you achieve your goals more efficiently. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Create a to-do list the night before. One of the most effective ways to kickstart your productivity is to create a to-do list the night before. Before you go to bed, spend a few minutes organizing your task for the next day. This way, you wake up with a clear sense of direction. Not only does it reduce the chances of procrastination, but it also allows you to prioritize your most important task. Waking up with a clear mind and actionable goals help you to dive right into your work without wasting time figuring out what to do next. Tip number 2. Apply the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a game changer for avoiding procrastination. The idea is simple. If a task can be done in 2 minutes or less, do it right away. This stops small tasks from piling up and clears out minor distractions. Whether it is responding to an email, organizing your workspace, or completing quick chores, tackling these tasks immediately prevents them from eating into your focus and time later on. You'd be surprising how many small tasks you can knock out in just a few minutes. The next tip, that is tip number 3, is use time blocking for focus. Time blocking is a powerful technique to structure your day more effectively. The concept is to divide your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or type of work. For example, you might set aside 9 am to 11 am for deep focused work without interruptions. Then follow it with a 15-minute break. By dedicating time blocks to certain activities, you reduce multitasking and allow yourself to focus deeply on one task at a time. This ensures you are working efficiently and with purpose instead of constantly switching between tasks. Let's move on to next tip. The tip number 4 is getting enough sleep. This might sound obvious, but sleep is critical to maintain high levels of productivity. Studies have shown that sleep-deprived individuals make more mistakes, struggles with focus, and take longer to complete tasks. Your brain needs time to rest and recover in order to function at its best. By getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep, you wake up refreshed and more energized to tackle your day. Remember, quality sleep is not just about the hours, it's about making sure you are well rested so you can work at your peak. The next tip number 5 is eliminate distractions. In today's digital age, distractions are everywhere. Social media, emails, and even some random notification can constantly pull your attention away from your task. To combat this, start by turning off non-essential notifications during your working hours. You can also designate a specific time for checking emails and social media so they don't eat into your productive time. Tools like Do Not Disturb mode or apps that block distracting websites can also help you to stay focused for longer periods. Tip number 6. Batch similar tasks together. Task batching is a productivity hack that can save you time and mental energy. The idea is to group similar tasks and complete them together. For example, instead of checking your emails every 30 minutes, allocate a specific time block where you deal with all your emails at once. Similarly, if you need to create multiple reports, try doing them back to back. Batching minimizes the time spent switching between the tasks and help you to get into a flow state where you can work more efficiently. Tip number 7. Learn to say no. One of the hardest things for many people is learning to say no. Whether it is taking on extra work or agreeing to social obligations, saying yes too often can overwhelm your schedule and lead to burnout. It's important to prioritize tasks that align with your long-term goals and be comfortable turning down requests that don't. Saying no isn't selfish, it's a crucial step in staying focused on what really matters. Protect your time so you can dedicate it to things that truly move the needle forward. Tip number 8. Use productivity apps. Technology can be your best friend when it comes to boosting productivity. Apps like Trello, Notion, or even a simple calendar can help you organize your tasks and streamline your workflow. Trello lets you create boards and cards to track the progress of different projects, while Notion offers a highly customizable space for note taking, task management, and even team collaboration. These tools help you stay organized, track your progress, and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Tip number 9. Take short breaks. While working hard is important, taking breaks is equally essential. The Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5 minutes break, is a popular method for maintaining focus without burning out. Short breaks allow your brain to rest and recharge, making it easier to stay focused and productive over the long term. Go for a walk, stretch, or simply step away from your desk for a few minutes. The key is to relax during these breaks so you can return to your work with renewed energy. The last tip number 10, is reflect on your day. Finally, at the end of each day, take a few minutes to reflect on what you have accomplished. Ask yourself, what worked well, what didn't. Reflection allows you to identify areas where you can improve and helps you stay on track with your goals. By making small adjustments based on your daily review, you can optimize your workflow over time. Consistently reflecting on your productivity ensures that you stay accountable and continuously improve your efficiency. At last, the bonus tip is to apply these all tricks in your life. By applying these 10 simple tricks, you will see a significant improvement in your productivity almost immediately. Remember, small changes can lead to big results when done consistently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Grow In It YouTube channel and hit the notification button for more actionable tips. And also hit the like button if you really like this video. Let's grow and succeed together. Thanks for watching our video.